Most people misunderstand YouTube automation. It's not passive income and it's not a shortcut. So let's clarify what it actually means. YouTube automation is the process of running a YouTube channel using systems and workflows instead of doing every task yourself. The content is original, but the production is structured and repeatable. In a traditional YouTube channel, one person handles everything: research, scripting, editing, thumbnails, and publishing. Automation breaks this process into clear steps and manages them as a system. Automation does not mean removing effort. It means organizing work so the channel can function without the creator appearing on camera. The focus shifts from creating content manually to managing a process. Many educational, documentary, and explainer channels use automation. These channels rely on storytelling, structure, and clarity rather than personality or on-camera presence. Automation is not re-uploading other people's videos. It is not using copyrighted content without permission, and it is not a promise of fast or guaranteed income. Successful automation channels operate like a business. They focus on consistency, quality, and gradual improvement rather than viral success. Most people fail because they expect results too quickly. YouTube rewards channels that publish consistently and improve over time. In this 30-episode series, you will learn how to build a faceless YouTube channel step by step using systems, not shortcuts.